Hello viewers, we'll be going over gold miners, ticker symbol GDXJ. In this video, we'll be going over my trade idea of the week and the day-by-day probability model. So let's start off with the technical analysis on the 1 hour chart. We remain in negative MACD and we are below the 200 moving average, this green line, which will act as our resistance at the price of $54.88. As we extend out to the 4 hour chart, we remain in negative MACD and once again seeing signs of a divergence there. If we extend that once more onto the daily chart, we remain in negative MACD and we have yet to test the 150-day moving average, acting as our possible support at the price of $52.29. So as for the trade idea of the week, my position size will be less than 1% of my portfolio and my long entry will be at $50.86, which is this range right here. As for my sell target, that's $56.12 and my stop loss will be at $49.07. On the other hand, if I were to open a short position, my entry will be at $57.56, and that is this line here, and that coincides with the 50-day moving average, this yellow line. For my sell target, that's $52.77, and my stop loss will be at $59.09. So whichever entry price were to hit first, that will be my position of the week. So how did I develop these trade ideas? It all comes from the day-by-day probability model, which is available in the link below, so do check it out. As we progress to the 5th day or week of trading, we have a 57% chance for it to climb between 0 to 6.2%. As for the downside, we have a 14% chance to fall between 0 to negative 6.2%, and another 14% chance to fall between negative 6.2% to negative 12.4%. Further extreme case to the downside, a 14% chance to fall between negative 12.4% to negative 19.5%. So if you enjoyed this content, feel free to like, comment, subscribe, and thank you for watching.